In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices in Airtable. We'll build an invoice-ready setup using Airtable's Omni Builder, which quickly creates the tables and fields you need, so you can focus on tracking payments instead of building everything from scratch. By the end, you'll see your new invoice records ready to go. Start on your Airtable workspace home. This is the main landing page where you see your bases and apps. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to create new items. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a second to confirm you're in the one where your invoices should live, so everything ends up in the right place. Next, click Create. You'll typically find this button near the top area of the workspace home. If your window is narrow, the button may be tucked into a menu, so expand your browser or look for a plus icon. Clicking Create tells Airtable you want to start something new. From the options, click Build App with Omni. Omni is Airtable's guided builder that uses your topic to generate a working structure for you. It's ideal for invoices because it quickly pulls together a clean table and related fields without manual setup. This selection helps you build a smooth table tailored to invoices. Expect a foundation that's practical and organized, with fields like invoice number, client or customer, issue date, due date, amount, and status. You may also see supportive fields for notes, links to related records, or totals. The goal here is consistency, so your team can sort, filter, and report on invoices with minimal setup. Follow the prompts based on your topic. Sometimes Omni will ask you questions to refine the build, and sometimes it will proceed automatically. When you do get prompts, be specific. For example, mention the currency you use, whether you track taxes, if you need a due date and paid date, or if you categorize invoices by status such as draft, sent, and paid. Clear, concise answers help Omni shape the fields and views to match your workflow. If no questions appear, that's fine. Omni will still generate a sensible starting point. It may take a few minutes to create everything. Let it run and avoid refreshing the page while it builds. Once it's done, you'll see your new invoice records in the generated base or app. Look over the layout and fields to confirm they reflect what you expect. You'll typically see a main grid view and possibly additional views organized by status or timeline. From here, you can start entering your real invoice data with confidence. That's it. Starting from your workspace home, you clicked Create, used Omni, followed the prompts, waited for the build, and now your invoice records are ready.